The little boy looked around and everyone was starting to sit on the grass. Quickly, the little boy sat on a rock and shaded his eyes from the sun. He could see Jesus standing in front of the people. The little boy squinted his eyes and gasped, "Ah, Jesus is holding my lunch." The little boy turned to look at his neighbor friend. "Look, look," cried the little boy. "Jesus has my 5 little loaves and 2 little fish." The neighbor smiled. "Quiet down, son," he whispered. "Jesus is going to pray." The little boy sat very still as he heard Jesus pray. "Will Jesus eat my lunch now?" wondered the little boy. The little boy watched as Jesus unwrapped the cloth. Jesus passed the loaves of bread and the 2 fish to his helpers. Then the helpers began to pass the food to the people. Suddenly, an amazing thing began to happen to the 5 little loaves of bread and the 2 fish. Everybody was getting pieces of fish and bread. They were getting plenty of bread and even more they could ever eat. Fathers and mothers, brothers and sisters, uncles and aunts, girl cousins and boy cousins, grandfathers and grandmothers, everyone was eating happily. Soon everyone was full. The little boy looked up as he swallowed his last piece of bread and fish. Jesus' helpers were collecting the leftover pieces in baskets. The little boy began to count how many baskets full of food there were left after all the people had eaten plenty for lunch. 1, 2, 3, 4 baskets, counted the little boy. He pulled on his neighbor's sleeves. 5, 6, 7 baskets. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 baskets. My lunch was not too small, he whispered. The little boy clapped his hands. God made my lunch bigger and bigger. I gave my little lunch to Jesus, and he used it to feed everybody. The neighbor patted the little boy on his head and said, "It does not matter how much or how little we have. Everything is special when we give it to Jesus."